Bitcoin just made a new all-time high. In today's video, we're going to see what can we expect next. Are we going to see a massive rejection from here, or are we expecting some continuation up and up and up and up and up and some really nice continuation? We're going to cover all of this. As always, if you enjoy the content, don't forget you can smash a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and write some comments down below. It helps a lot. With this being said, let's get started. So in the last videos, and I'm talking about the videos because, well, the live stream basically, because the videos I didn't upload it any for 7 months. Okay, the last one was pretty cool, guys. We have been able to time the all-time high. This was, you can see by December 17 or 24, this was a max target, but we've got some lower targets. This is what happened. Everything here was in the live section. I'm live 3 times a week on Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 10 AM UTC+2 to update Bitcoin mainly, all the odds if there is anything good. You can see the tons of updates I have been doing since then. This is just pretty insane. So if you want to find me, this is a place to be basically. Now that we have some volatility, I was waiting for the volatility to come to really continue the videos. Now that we have done a new all-time high, here I am. So yeah, in the live stream, sorry, we have been planning this wave 1. You can see here this wave 1, retracement here, this wave 2, and then the wave 3, 4, 5 here is the upside. As I said in the stream, I am going to do some counts on my side because I just don't want to be that bullish. I want to find something a little bit less bullish, okay? Because yeah, I'm not just going to look for a massive increase in price to 160,000 and even more just like this, right? We'll have to plan some targets before this, something a little bit less bullish, because we might get some few things happening before we reach such price basically. Okay, and yeah, there are some other configurations. So this is not going to be my first configuration. This is going to be my second configuration if we go past the targets of the first configuration. Okay, so this is the first configuration. I did a count again on my side, and instead of getting a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a wave 5 with a 1, 2, 3, or 5 in there, I'm changing with a wave 1, 2, another wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just gonna accept with some smaller wave that it is like this. And so if we have 5 waves here, these 5 waves are completing this wave 3, and so this is a wave 4, and we can look for the wave 5 next. Okay, so how can you find, or could you find a wave 4 target here? Very simply by checking out what was the wave 2. So to do so, you just place the retracement tool, like this, from the wave 1 top to the wave 2 on the root, sorry, or the opposite. It depends if you did reverse your tool in the tool settings. I did so it's from the top to the bottom, otherwise just do the opposite, from the bottom to the top. You can see here 38.2. We do not even even reach this first target. We have done here 23.6. This is extremely small. Sorry, so after such retracement, we expect a bigger retracement on the wave 4. Smaller the wave 2 is, bigger the wave 4 gonna be in terms of time. You can see here, smaller and shorter the wave 2 is, longer and bigger the wave 4 gonna be. So it makes sense. And if you check more over this at the retracement we have done here, normally this is a wave for retracement after a regular wave 2. A regular wave 2 is between the 50, 618, 86%, where we have normally 73% chance to bounce from. But you can see it's 73%, not 100%. Here we have done a 23.6. So when this is happening, normally a wave 4 is between the 23.6, 38.2 with the MCV in between. When we do a small wave 2, we look for a big wave 4. So a big wave 4 is between the 38.2 and the 50%. As simple as that. This is where we bounce it from. And yeah, that's it basically. And so now, how can you find a wave 5 targets? Just gonna check out something here really quickly here. What was the wave 3 here? It was 200%, yeah? Yeah, 200%, really not perfect, but anyways, it's fine. So to find now the wave 5 targets, sorry, you just have to place the extension tool from the wave 1 root to the wave 1 top to the wave 4 bottom. Okay, with this you add the wave 5 targets, so the MC extension 618, 71, 786, then you have the 1-to-1 extension, then you have the 100%, then you have the 1618 and the 2618. I'm gonna get rid of this one because it's already on my chart here. And so yeah, as you can see, well, by the way, went past already the 618 DMC extension and the 1-to-1 extension. So I'm just gonna keep the next targets, basically, as simple as that. So that brings us with the first target around 117,000, and the next target, the second target, is around 130,000, approximately 128,700 to be really accurate. Could be even more accurate by saying the 83, but anyways. It's good enough already. So yeah, these are the next two targets for Bitcoin with the following smaller wave. Today I'm really going to focus on the on the higher time frame, and in the tomorrow's daily update live stream, basically at 10 a.m. UTC+2, I'm going to focus on these smaller wave here. Basically, really quickly, if you really know a bit of the wave, I am looking for a wave 1, 2, another wave 1, 2, and another wave 1, 2, and we are now in the wave 3. Then we're going to get the wave 4, the wave 5. This is going to complete this wave 3 or 5, this wave 3 4 5. Okay, but we're going to cover all of this in the tomorrow's daily update live stream at 10 a.m. So yeah, this is a first possible configuration, and what I said before is if we break above our second target, basically with the wave 5 here, we are going to look for a much more bigger configuration, and so I'm simply going to look for a, well, not this wave anymore, the ones we have been planning really before this one. That is simply this kind of configuration. And also the target is around 130,000. If we really break above 30,000 here with some strength, for example on the order flow, this right here is an order flow. Just to give you an example, today, for example here, as I said, well, yesterday already, I was already looking for, unless it happens, the new all-time high is the most probable. Okay, and by the way, just to show you a bit how Elliott Wave is working, this is what we have been looking for before we even break the make a new all-time high. Basically was looking in also the wave are here, the wave are here. Okay, so I was looking here for a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see on the screenshot, there you go. It was looking for, you have the wave 1, 2, or the AB. Okay, AB, you can see I was looking for an increase in price, a retracement, but to go for a new all-time high, basically with the 5 ways up. So we've got the pullback, we've got the bounce into the target, we'll have planned more over this, and we're now getting the breakout. So this is just pretty perfect. When Elliott Wave is used correctly and good, it's absolutely brilliant as always. So this is, yeah, this is just pretty insane. Anyways, so yeah, this is, yeah, just to come back on the order flow, it depends of what we're going to get, the data we're going to get live in the time. If we get anything bearish on the order flow, we start to lose some big support. We like to get some sign of strength for lower prices next, basically, or some sign of weakness for higher, basically, on the order flow. So this is an order flow, just to show you also by reading the order flow what what decision basically you can make. For example, yesterday we was already looking for a new all-time high based off the Elliott Wave, and as I said, if there is any good direction here, then we look for the wave 4 and the wave 5. Okay, so by the way, this is how it ended. We've got, so the wave 4 here was looking for yesterday. If we get anything good in this zone for a long trade, that's a long, and we can look for a wave 5. So if we get anything good on this, we long and we enjoy the money, basically. So we have been holding the target perfectly, and it is ended up with a very nice pump. You can see here we have a bullish CVD. 50% of the wave force here is giving the bounce, so this green fib. Big bullish CVD. Okay, you can see here on the 5 minutes, for example, here. Why cannot click it? There you go. You can see here, for example, we've got this big bullish CVD on the 5 minute before to get the massive pump here. Okay, before to get this big continuation to the upside. You can see here clearly you get some shorts just before the pump, big shorts there coming. You can see here 10 million of contract shorts opening just right before the pump, and you can see here this very clear low, high, low. Okay, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, and here low, and a lower low here on the CVD. It means that basically all these market order shorts, I'm not going to make it too complex, but all these market order shorts got absorbed by some limit longs. That brings us with a reversal, and this is why sorry, I said we have a bullish CVD. As simple as that, basically. Yeah, so basically, well, with a wave you can also predict a bit the reaction. For example, here was, well, this was, I was pretty confident into this wave, but still I prefer to wait for the confirmation with the order flow. But yeah, you can see here, I was looking for the wave. You just have to wait for the good reaction. We have a bullish CVD plus some nice reaction around the lows if you're really scalping this. And so yeah, that brings us with a lovely pump we're having at the moment, with, as you can see here, a very, 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 very nice breakout with some nice amount of longs. But this is classed on a breakout like this with no absorption, anything. Well, a bit of absorption with price highs, but for now it's fine. this is classed as bullish. This is classed as a strong breakout. You can see all the longs are pushing the price high. They're not getting absorbed. This is bullish. This is healthy. What can I say? That's a good breakout, and we can look now, you know, for the wave 5. I've been looking for on the lower time frame. Anyway, you can join the Discord server, by the way. This is absolutely free. All these updates are absolutely free. Bring us with a lovely trade. This is not a signal group. You have to learn, but based on the information I'm sharing with you, well, you can make some really good decisions, in my opinion. Anyways, let's come back on the wave here. So yeah, based on the order flow reaction, okay, at 130,000, if we reach that price, if that's still not bearish, we can take, in that case, the second configuration. It's as simple as that, basically. Of course, I could maybe take another 10 minutes to talk about, yes, it is possible to make a bigger correction like this, but I'm not going to do it because for now, well, this is a most probable configuration, and if we break above 130,000 with some strength, this is a most probable configuration. This one is becoming the most probable. Okay, so step by step, this one first, then we take the other one here, the real mega bullish configuration. But yeah, for now, let's take that one. You can still be aware of maybe really quickly, well, I don't know if I'm doing this now. Well, I'm going to do this now really quickly. If you want still to look for shorts during this pump, okay, to look for shorts before this zone of price, you can absolutely. I am going to do it personally on my side because I like to be aware of everything. Well, that's my plan. These are my way. I mean, yeah, these are my way. This is my plan. So I like to be aware of everything. Trading based off the order flow, so it depends on the reaction limit time. It's a little bit less probable, but still that will be a bigger double EXY or ABC flat into the wave 4, or if we're in the super bullish configuration, you know, into the big wave 1, wave 2. Okay, if we have to be in such configuration, so basically we look for a move down before reaching our wave 5 targets. That will be simply with a bigger ABC flat or double EXY. We can simply pull the double EXY or ABC flat targets. So to do so, simply takes the retracement tool from the W A wave bottom to the A wave or W root. Again, if you want to learn all the Elliott Wave stuff, you can go on the website, check out the course section. Elliott Wave course, you also have some, well, half of the course is absolutely free, and you have well, not the double EXY, but ABC flat. No, you have the ABC zigzag. You have all the impulsive stuff and ABC zigzag. Just go and check this out, basically. You will find out by yourself. But anyway, so we have first of all this 113% here retracement. That is basically for a flat. So we have basically this first part here where we can look for a short. That is basically for an ABC flat. If we get anything bearish in here, I'm going to tell you, I'm not going to look for such configuration first of all. I'm going to look for the smaller wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, here that will be a wave 1, 2, 3 top. I will look for a pullback for the wave 4 to continue up next. I am not going to look for this massive drop. I will look for this massive drop. Should we invalidate this wave 4 target? We redrop below with some strength on the order flow, all of this. Anyways, this is for more advanced traders. I really want to keep it easy in these updates because this is really for the public, and I'm not sure everyone is used to the order flow and all this Elliott Wave stuff. So this is for an ABC flat. If we break above, we can look for the X wave target, so the yellow and the orange fibs here. So basically with the first wave 5 target, it matched with the first big wave 5 target. So this one for a flat, this one for a double EXY. These are the two targets you can look for if we have to make a longer correction to the wave 4 into the wave 2. But yeah, this is just for people that really want to get everything. Otherwise, this is a most probable configuration. 117,000, 120,000 basically. Otherwise, we can look for 128,000, 130,000. These are the two next big targets. And if we break above 130,000, basically, really show some strength to the upside. We see that with a smaller wave, this is not done. We have to, we should continue higher. We'll have a lot more chance to continue up. Then we can take this big impulse here to the upside, big wave 1, 2, and bam 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 3, 4, and next we'll have the wave 5 here to the upside. It's pretty complex to draw with a mouse. Anyways, so yeah, that's it for today. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. As always, if you enjoy, don't forget, you can smash the likes, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and write some comments down below. Thank you so much. As always, if you take the time to do it, it helps a lot. Have a brilliant day ahead, and catch you all tomorrow for the daily update at 10 AM UTC plus 2, otherwise in Discord or in the next update. Have a brilliant day ahead. Take care. Cheers.